Welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another DIY video. So I've been seeing this car belt and this shit is fire as hell, so y'all know how to get up on it, because who am I if I don't do a DIY fashion? Like, come on now. First off, I ended up going to my son's closet, his room, because he have mad cars that he don't play with. You think I'm about to buy all these cars? No ma'am, I got them right from my son's toy box, and we're gonna begin. He said he didn't want them anyway, and all you do is draw on them and just waste them. He'll get one new car and then forget about the old one. So yeah, we finna use all these cars. I use about like 30 cars on this belt. This belt was like 40 inches, I believe. I got from like Dollar General, and all I used was like this metal thingy. It's like for like jewelry that I used to make like my jewelry on, and I just wrapped it around the car wheels, and then I wrapped it, like made it like an X and everything. This is how much I got done so far. It came out so cute. When I tell y'all you can use this belt as a weapon, this belt is heavy as fuck, girl. Okay, so somebody try to act crazy, all you gotta do is take it off and slap the shit out of somebody, because what? I didn't really do it in a specific order, but I did like try to like do like colors not so much close together, so it won't be like so much of the same color as close. But this is how it looks on the back part. Like I said, I mixed it up with like the wheels. I wrapped it around the wheels. It really didn't take that long to make. I'll say like probably like 40 minutes, but this is the finished touch, y'all. It looks so freaking cute. I cannot wait to style this. When I tell you this shit is fire, like, one thing when you do make it, you don't want to go too far. So before you put it on, make sure you measure the belt so you like it and see where you want to stop at, because you're going to want to cut the access, because if you put the cars all over the belt, then you can't even buckle it. So you want to measure it up to where you're liking, where it fits at good, and then you're going to cut the access and put it through like that little loopy hole thingy that it has, so that it can like stay like that, because you cannot fill it all the way up, because like I said, you won't be able to buckle the belt like this. So yeah, this is the finishing of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I really enjoyed making this. I really love DIY and stuff. Like, when I tell you, I cannot wait to show y'all the fit, how this look. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.